name's James from Livestorm. Thanks for tuning in today. Today we're going to be taking a look at the new session menu. So when you create a new session, you may notice that the screen looks a little bit fresh. It's changed and it's got a bit of a different layout. Today we're going to be covering some of the changes that have been made. These changes have been made based on feedback that we've received. There's a simplified view of all your event sessions. There's an enhanced visibility of past sessions. There's improved access to session settings. And there's also easier access to your event registrant statistics. So let's jump in and take a look. Here's my demo event. So new session menu. So this is the new layout. So most things here work in exactly the same way. It's just that the layout's changed to simplify your workflow and to make it easier for you to create new events and to access your data. So let's take a look. So you have your event set up. So none of the settings here have changed. So as you can see, this is very familiar. General settings, video and source and recording, your registration fields and adding consent, and your advanced settings for your registration, room, design, emails, all of the settings here are exactly the same, just you access it slightly differently now. So the next button we have here is a quick links menu. So you've got various features here: share event, duplicate, settings, embed, registration page, mine's currently not active. You can access the event room, copy event ID and delete event. So you can easily access all of those settings from this quick menu. The next button we have here is the people button. So if you click on that, this is going to load up a very familiar interface, and we can see all of the same data that we had before in the people tab, just now located in this area. And the last button we have here is the share button. So inside the share button, there's the same features: share link, register manually, invite to register. So you can use these tools exactly the same as before. They're just located in a slightly different space through this button. And these buttons on the right, very familiar again: registration page, access the room, and you also have some options in this menu here. So next, let's take a look at the session list. So you can open and close past sessions, up and coming events. So as you can see here, this is one of the key benefits to the new screen layout. So here you can access the session information on the people, the registrants in your sessions, as well as access the settings easily right here from the one screen. Previously, you would have had to flip between the sessions with the filter, but this is a much easier way for you to access your data and to take a look at your sessions. And now with these improvements, there are less clicks for you to access the configuration settings for your sessions and to access your data. So let's take a look here. For my demo, I've got one session upcoming today, that's highlighted here, and I have a session next week, scheduled for next week. And as you can see here, there's the past session. So by default, that won't be expanded. So I can expand that now and I can take a look. And new session menu. So this is one that has ended. So the reason I've clicked on one that has passed is because I want to show you the way that the replay is displayed. Previously, you would have accessed your event replay via the tab on the top left, but now there's a replay button on the top right. So let's take a look. So you can watch the replay. You can copy the link from the replay. You can download the replay, or you can view the transcript. So this is much nicer. You've got a few more different options there, and you can access all of that from the one button for all of your events that you've recorded. So looking on the right here now, we have all of the same information in the overview: the session date, team members, guest speakers, and we also have this tab here for people. So in this people section, all of the data here is the same, all of the things that you're used to. You have all the same columns and the data that you're used to looking at, all the same data and the analytics: has attended, attendance rate, has viewed the replay. The same functionality here with the columns. You can select your columns and you can also export. So all of the same features are here that you're used to. And finally, one key change to note here is that sessions are now published automatically. This change has been made based on feedback that we've received from users. Due to popular demand, this is one less step that you have to worry about when you're setting up your events and when you're going through the process to make it easier and quick for you to set up your events. So I hope you enjoy the new layout, and I hope you've enjoyed this video and it's helpful. If you have any questions or feedback, or if there's something that you can't find with the new layout, please reach out to us here on the community or contact us at support, and we'll be more than happy to help you out. So I hope you're liking the new layout. Thanks for tuning in. Have a great day.